Hello, my name is Chaitanya. Today I am reading my favorite lesson. My name is Jaggu. I live in Nagpur. Come with me.
सबसे पहले क्या होता है लेसन हम ये पढ़ेंगे कि कौन सा लेसन है उससे कैसे पता चलेगा हमको है ना। चलो
Animal and birds. My name is Jaggu. I live in Nagpur. Come with me. I will tell you about the animals that live near my house. This is a dog. It lives near my gate. These are cats. They jump up and down in the veranda of my house. This is a cow. It eats grass. This is a rat. The rat is very small. The cat chases the rat. These are monkeys. They swing and jump in the trees. There is a field beside my house. There are a few snakes in it. You have to walk carefully in the field. Bye bye.